You are not stupid. You study hard. You know grammar rules. You understand English when you read it. But the moment someone says, "Speak in English," your mind goes blank. Why? Today, I'm going to tell you the hidden truth that nobody talks about. This is not about talent. This is not about intelligence. Some of the smartest people in the world, doctors, engineers, professors, still cannot speak English fluently. And some people with very simple education speak English with full confidence. So what is the real difference? Stay with me, because the answer will surprise you. Lesson 1. Smart people overthink, and overthinking kills speaking. Here is the truth. Smart people think too much. When a less confident person wants to say something in English, they just say it. Maybe it is wrong. Maybe the grammar is not perfect, but they say it. But a smart person, they stop. They think, is this grammar correct? Is this the right word? What will people think? And while they are thinking, the moment is gone. Another important truth is this. Language is not a math problem. You cannot solve it by thinking harder. Language is a habit, a physical habit, and habits are built through action, not through thinking. So, remember this carefully. Your intelligence is not helping you speak English. It is actually stopping you.
Lesson 2. Smart people fear mistakes more than others. Let me ask you something. When you make a mistake in your job or your studies, how do you feel? Bad, embarrassed, frustrated. Smart people hate making mistakes. They have spent their whole life being correct in school, in exams, in work. So when it comes to English, they want to be correct before they speak. But here is the painful truth. You cannot become correct before speaking. You become correct by speaking and making mistakes and speaking again. Every fluent English speaker you admire made thousands of mistakes. They sounded strange. They used wrong grammar. People did not understand them sometimes. But they continued. Another important truth is this. Mistakes are not proof that you are failing. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. So, stop waiting to be perfect. Start speaking imperfectly. That is the only path to fluency.
Lesson 3. Smart people learn English like a subject, not like a language. Think about how you learned English. Books, grammar rules, vocabulary lists, exams. You learned English like mathematics. Memorize the formula. Apply the rule. Get the correct answer. But language does not work like that. Another powerful truth is this. Children do not learn language from books. They hear it. They feel it. They repeat it. They use it every day in real life. And slowly, without even trying, they become fluent. But smart people sit with grammar books and think, why am I not fluent yet? Because you are treating English like a school subject. And English is not a subject. English is a living skill. You build it through listening every day, speaking every day, feeling comfortable with it every day, not through memorizing rules alone.
Lesson 4. The real hidden truth. Here it is. The real reason smart people cannot speak English is this. They are preparing to speak instead of actually speaking. They watch videos about speaking. They read tips about fluency. They make plans to practice. But they never actually open their mouth and speak. Another important truth is this. You cannot learn swimming by reading about water. You have to jump in. You cannot become a driver by watching driving videos. You have to sit behind the wheel. And you cannot speak English by only studying it. You have to speak it today, tomorrow, every single day. Even alone, even in front of a mirror, even when it feels uncomfortable. Because comfort grows through repetition, not through waiting. So remember this carefully. You are not bad at English because you are not smart enough. You are struggling because you are too smart, too careful, too afraid of mistakes, too focused on being perfect. Drop the fear. Open your mouth. Speak simple English today. One sentence, 1 minute, one small step. Because fluency is not built in classrooms. It is built in moments of courage, when you speak, even though you are afraid. You are not behind. You are just warming up. Now go speak. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to this channel for more powerful English lessons every week. See you in the next one. Keep speaking, keep growing.